Is this live? Is this thing on? Let's see. YouTube. I'm gonna check on my phone real quick. How do how do I see? Do I have to use the Studio app? YouTube Studio. Let's see. Like I don't want to. Oh wait, of course I can just check it on this computer because right now my screen is not visible. Let's see. Um, View your channel. There you go. Live. I don't want to. Oh wait. Okay, looks like it works. Looks like this is fine. Okay, let's go. Um, yes. My face is not gonna be visible today because it's too hot and I am shirtless. And I don't mind being shirtless on YouTube, but I don't think it's a style. Okay. So yeah, I think I am, yeah. All right, let's go. So today, what I want to do is I want to go over my to-do list here. So between the last video or stream that I did to today, the only difference is that well, I fixed a lot of little issues and I played with some other things that are not necessarily related to um the room online stuff. Like I played with cellular automata using WebGPU, and I just happened to use the oceloti project as like the laboratory. It was nice because I got to test a few ideas about, well, not ideas, but like I got to test how reliable this setup is to prototype stuff, and it actually turned out to be really nice. And it solidified my existing ideas of how to create like cards or things, as I'm calling them. So yeah, and this is one of those, and this is gonna be a cellular automata rule editor. Yeah, of course it's not finished. But well, yeah, what I wanted to do today specifically is I want to work on these two and maybe even this third item here. Um, I want to be able to drag and drop an image and have a way to store them on the backpack and use them, etc. I might have, like, I'm gonna work on the details of that image, like resizing and tiling, etc. later. Right now, what I want to get done is just adding images and displaying them. So, so yeah. So I actually already started. I already created the module here. I just copied the code from the paper one. So I'll just, you know, just remove the things that I don't need here. So the first thing is going to be it's HTML content. Let's see, also about ref content. Uh, some basic stuff. Let's make it so that the height is also coming from here. Content. Well, I don't want this. And it's not gonna be an article, it's gonna be a figure, I guess. Could also just be a div. Doesn't really matter. I am not gonna need this. I could probably just return it. I don't see anything different here. So return figure, and then inside that figure, we're gonna have an image tag. And we might add some other stuff later, but right now, just want those. And of course, I'm gonna need a source. And so the content render. Oh, this is what it wants. I also need a hide. So source is gonna be content, and then alt is going to be nothing right now, because I don't know like if there's gonna be metadata. Like I don't know how I'm gonna handle that yet. And of course, I'll also need to add a class, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe I'm just gonna leave it like that and print that CSS. I'll just copy this real quick. So hide fit content, nope. Padding, no padding, no background. I do want to pixelate it. But I think I might have to apply this to the image tag. And then object fit, it's going to be contained for now, and then object position is going to be centered. Width is going to be 100%. Height is going to be 100% as well. That's everything for now. Now we're passing in the renderer, the encoder. It's going to be simple. We'll just thing query selector. Well, it's just the image tag. And then we'll return this. And then instead of the content here, we'll just do image. And then we'll do image.source. Initializer, we don't have any state yet. So we don't need any of this. And just leave it like this. And so this should work. It should work. But it is not set up yet. So image print this size, this thing, data handler image print. This should work. I think this should work. Let's give it a try. Oh, of course, yeah. Voila. Well, of course, this is... What? Oh, no. I was like, well, this doesn't work, but no. Okay, let's do this again. Oh, yeah. Wait. Oh, it's linked. That's why it doesn't work. Uh, let's do draggable pulse. Okay. I'm gonna have to remove this. Ever since I got this new sound system, and it has Bluetooth on it, and ever since my mouse has like this stupid delay. It's like there's some interference or something. Okay, so let's do this again. Haha, there you go. Put away, make a copy. Haha, so cool. Nice. Now, of course, this is not ideal. This transparent background, and not only that, but there's no shadow. White, what? Oh, oh. I don't know if I want. So, like, the shadow is because it's supposed to be a thing, and so image range. So let's set up background. Now, of course, this is not ideal. Let's try something different. Okay. So this is what you would expect from a print, like an image print, like a literal print. Now, if you want to modify this, so like, for example, if you wanted to, if you know that it's a transparent background, then like you would have something like this, right? Man, I need to store the state of the cursor on the local storage because it's annoying. Yeah. That was easy, but I don't like this shadow thing. But, I mean, I do like it because it's technically, or I don't know if technically is the word, but like it should be the case, you know, that you have this. By the way, how can I see if there's, like, I want the chat, so I don't know if there is actually someone watching. I want to know that. Summon my phone here because I want to see live. How can I? Come on. Is there seriously not a way? Or maybe not in the YouTube studio, but like just a normal YouTube? Yeah, there you go. Let's mute my phone. And of course, there's no one. I'm just gonna leave it there just in case someone pops by. Okay. maybe what I'll do, I'll just do it in hover. Haha, that's interesting. So now let's do transition, box shadow, then we'll do 100 milliseconds, and we'll do a normal. Actually, no, I have it's gotta be in the paper theme. Ease curve 1. Wait, no, the ease curve 1. That's kind of shitty. Why is it so shitty? I'm just gonna remove it. Much better. I like that you can select it as normal when you're in the pointer mode. Okay. What does it say? Oh, and I also added this feature that I wanted to add for a long time, where if you click shift, I mean if you press shift and then you drag something, it doesn't move the order. I think that's pretty neat. Yeah, I like that it shows the border when you hover on it. But I think it should only be the case when using the pointer mode. So the pointer mode, so oceloti cursor, you have to be oceloti cursor pointer. Ugh. But then you switch, and then it no longer appears. Kind of like that. When you move it, then it does have that contour. Nice. I like this. Now we need to resize. Yeah, I mean, this was too fast. This was too easy. But of course, that's because there's no width or height management. So what I need to do here is I need to get, I think I might just need to create an image and then get the height, the width and the height from it. So that would be constant image equals document create element, an image, and then temp image source equals this, and then I don't know if I need to do unload. I'm just gonna ask. Natural width, natural height. I had no idea. Okay, let's just copy everything. Yep. Now what I want is I want to... Oh, let's just try it this way. Let's trash those things. And let's just give it a second try. This is gonna be huge. Yeah. Hmm. I don't know how I'm going to handle, like, say, say it's like this, and I want to interact with the card below, but I want to keep the layer order like this. I could just do pointer events none, but I would need a way to like interact with that still. I'll figure out a way later. But yeah, no, this is huge. What I want is I want it to be, so I just wanted to get those two because I wanted to get the proportions, right? So I'm gonna make it so that it's a standard size essentially. And I'm actually going to have it stretch. And so this, yeah, I'm just gonna do like 400 times, let's do the math. So height is going to be equals to, and I need to like draw paper to do that formula because I never know how to do it without it. So if this is a width, this is the height, and then this is the... Okay, so yeah, this is it. So sometimes when there's like a large like GIF like this one, there's this annoying delay because it loads it like again and again, and that's actually a performance issue. And I have actually been debating myself whether or not to like mount and remount every time you drag. Like it makes the whole process easier because it just like moves it away, like it removes the thing, like it's no longer part of the, like it's a floating thing which is not in the same category as the others, and I can just like push it to the end of the room element array. So like there's no C indexing stuff, which I like. Yeah, I don't know. I like that there's a wrapper as well. Yeah. So it works. Now, but there's a problem now, because if we have a like super large, you know, like a very tall image, like we need to determine like which I guess it's like this. So width is smaller than bigger. If it's bigger than 400, then use 400. Otherwise, just use the width. And then here we're gonna do the same thing. Oh, the height. And so now if I drag this one, it's gonna be smaller. If I drag this one, it's probably the real size, maybe, I don't know. If I, what is this? So this is the real size? No, this is getting bigger, I suppose. Okay, now this one's the real size. Why? Because it's smaller, which means because it's smaller, it's gonna use that size. Wait, whoa, what happened there? It was a bug, or I just misclicked it? Well, this was too easy. I mean, I need to do the resizing. So let's actually try to do that. No, this one's pretty ugly. Let's do something fun. Let's do this painting. So oh wait, what? Oh shit. Quota has been exceeded. Ah. uh, I mean, yeah, I knew that this was not a solution. I'll have to use something else. I'll have to use index.db, I guess, or something else. I don't know. I'll see. Anyways, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah. So if you resize this, so like resize both, right? And if I do pointer events none, I guess, man, it's so slow. But then, like, just initially, then it's like the dev tools are slow. So CSS resize, I'm pretty sure there's like there are some constraints, like it needs to be relative or something. I'm already, there you go. Yeah. So block elements. Resize does not apply to the following: inline elements and blocks. Block elements for which the overflow property is set to visible. Okay. Overflow hidden. Haha. That's so funny. Okay. So resize both and overflow hidden. We'll just do pointer events none. I don't know if that's needed, but I don't care. Yeah. Oh my god, this is so fun. This is so fun. This is such a cool painting. I'm gonna make it not pixelated. This is gonna be something that you'll be able to change. Oh well. So I don't. So yeah, it shouldn't be pixelated anymore. I don't remember what are the options here. Oh. Nice. Oh man, this is so cool. Nice. Well, of course, this is just the temporary solution, because you should only be able to resize it when with the pointer. So this is interesting. But yeah, no, like I like the native resize. Um, but you can only resize it from this side, and so I'm gonna have to implement a custom one. But for now, this is pretty sweet. It's pretty cool. Let's do something else. What is this? Meme. Screenshots, arena. Memes? It should be in the meme folder. Arena. Man, this is so cool. And then you can make something bigger. I feel like a little kid. This is exactly what I wanted to feel like. I want this to feel like a playground, but also that like a serious place where you can get shit done. All this is alive now. And the cool thing is that I can just do I can just save it, and then I can do like div dump. And then almost 3 megabytes. This is so cool. This is really, really cool. Now, there's an image here. So, there's an interesting thing, which is if I inspect this, right? And if I go here and then I do this, and then I do this, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna be able to, oh wait. Oh, I can do this, and then I can do this. That's fascinating. I actually don't even need to, well, yeah, pointer events need to be there. That would stay like that. Yeah, I don't need to have pointer events now. Man, this is so cool. There you have a website. Well, selecting is laggy sometimes. No, it's my mouse. Never mind. I keep thinking that something's laggy, but then it's like the delay that I get sometimes with the Bluetooth. Bro, this is so cool. This is really, really cool. Hehe. Okay, so what's next? There are a lot of tiny improvements. Maybe not tiny, but a lot of improvements. But this is pretty fucking sweet. I guess I'm gonna have that console log error saying that I exceeded the quota. No, man, this is so cool. I want to do a paste handler as well. I think I want to move the priority paste handler. Not urgent. Yeah, it's not urgent, but it's a nice feature. Yeah, those are done. Um, oh wait, something I haven't tested yet is, oh wait, an image printed on a fake piece of paper. Drop. Oh, so okay, so let's make it bigger. Put away. Nice. I like how this system just kind of like works. Like things are solved. And like if I had to compare this to the Svelte version, like I felt like this Svelte version was like a pain. It was like TypeScript and a bunch of shit. And this one is like just so easy to manage. Um, so yeah, let's put this away. Oh my man, this is so cool. I'm so happy with this. Okay, so let's see. Create a link module. I don't know. I'm still not sure about how to show links. Like having a screenshot, like a little screenshot would be cool, or like maybe try to make it an iframe. That would be interesting as well. Let's do a quick prototype. So mm, mm, yeah, and I'm hungry. I had a very shitty breakfast. I need to go buy some eggs and other stuff. Mm. Yeah, links. I think I'm gonna pause the stream here, or like just end it, actually. And yeah, and then I'll see. Like while I eat, I'm gonna think of ideas for the link module. Stop streaming.